Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Çınlama, Doctor of Audiology, author of Living Tinnitus, and founder of Tinnitus Relief Academy. If you suffer from tinnitus, this video is for you. In this video, I will demonstrate two simple methods you can use to find the exact pitch of your tinnitus right from the comfort of your home. When we know the pitch of your tinnitus, we can customize treatments, especially sound therapy, masking, or even the tinnitus features in hearing aids. Once you know the pitch, your treatment can be more accurate and personalized. Think of pitch matching as getting a clear map of where you are so you can better decide where you are headed. There are over 700 million people in the world who experience tinnitus, including myself. For years, I have lived with a constant high-pitched sound in my ears, and it sounds like this. And if you're watching this, chances are you have heard something similar too. I know what it is like. My tinnitus started during grad school, long nights, stress, no clear answers. It took years before I realized that knowing the exact frequency of what I was hearing could make such a difference. That is why I developed these tools not just for my patients, but for people like me and you who want clarity. After helping many people, I can tell you one of the most powerful first steps in managing tinnitus is identifying its pitch. And in today's video, I will walk you through two practical methods that you can use. Let's begin with the first method, the pitch finder. So first, go to tinnitusreliefacademy.com where you will find my free tinnitus pitch finder and pitch matching tool. And then I will choose English, and we will choose tinnitus matching, the fourth one. And in here, you will find the tinnitus pitch finder tool first. It covers frequencies between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, the full range of human hearing. Start by selecting a sound type. So there are different sound types: pure tone, square, triangle, sawtooth, noise, filter. This means like how you would describe your tinnitus. I would say like quality of the sound that you hear in your ears. If you're unsure what to choose pure tone, which is the most common form of tinnitus. Make sure you are in a quiet place. I would recommend using headphones or earphones for the quality of the sound. Set the volume to a comfortable level, never too loud, because high frequencies might be sounding uncomfortable if the volume is not adjusted properly. So make sure reduce the volume if needed. I will make sure it's not too loud. I will reduce it a little bit because I have sensitivity to high-pitched sounds. And then what we will do, we will use this slider. I will bring it to 20 Hz to the beginning. And then I will slowly move this slider to match the pitch of my tinnitus. I will increase slowly. But first, I need to press the play button. And I am moving the slider slowly until I match the pitch of my tinnitus. I think I'm getting close. Something like, yeah, I think this is pretty good. I'm gonna stop here. Now I match the pitch of my tinnitus, but I will repeat this test twice to make sure my results are consistent or your results are consistent. So I recommend repeating this twice. And then here I choose pure tone because, like, as a sound type, because my tinnitus is closer to pure tone as a sound, so I went with that. And I will go back and I will play this one more time. I think here is pretty good. I was able to match my pitch of tinnitus. And if you get very different results, like in the first attempt it was 1000 hertz, in the second attempt it was 8000 hertz, like very different frequencies, then do a third test and go with the value that appears twice or is closest. If you have multiple tinnitus sounds, focus on the most dominant one or the one that bothers you the most, and don't worry about small frequency differences. Like mine was, I believe, 82 something at the first attempt, and now it's 8130 hertz. Small changes would not change your outcome much, so that's why don't worry about that. Also remember, your tinnitus might change during the day. If so, test at the time it feels the most intrusive. Some people find it hard to match the pitch by ear, especially if you are not musically inclined. So in that case, for those situations, I have created a second tool, and this is called tinnitus matching tool. And in this test, you compare two different tones. You will hear two sounds and you will choose which one is closer to your tinnitus. And based on your answers, the tool narrows down your pitch step by step. Once you have completed the cycle, the result will be much more specific. Let's start with one of the tones. I'm gonna play tone A, and then I'm gonna play tone B. So my tone was, it asks you which tone is closer to your tinnitus. It was definitely closer to B because it was higher pitch, so I'm gonna pick tone B. And I believe it is a little bit, mine is a little bit higher. So compared to your tinnitus, the selected tone is tinnitus is higher, I will go with. And now I'm gonna play both sounds again, and I will see which one matches better to my tinnitus. Alright. Yep, tone B. And in this case, it was a little bit lower. I mean, honestly, right now it's pretty close, but if you are trying to fine tune, go with that. So I will pick tinnitus is lower option, and I'm gonna play this one more time and play tone A as well, and I'm gonna play the B one more time. Yes, I think that is it. I think this is pretty close to what I hear in my ears. It's very common to pick a tone that is too high or too low, often by a full octave, and that is okay. Our brains are not wired to match these tones naturally, so that's okay if you don't match exactly in the same pitch of your tinnitus, but close enough, definitely close enough. And you will see selected frequency is at 8000 hertz. And if you want to download the pitch of your tinnitus that you match, the last frequency, the selected frequency, you can press download match tone option, and it's gonna download here, and you can save it to your files, and you will be able to have that tone in your files with this way. And it's pretty good because for some people, once they are able to match the pitch of their tinnitus, they feel like their tinnitus reduce for a short time, and it is a great sign that that frequency is helping them to tune out their tinnitus. So sometimes they like to listen it during the day to work out their brain to habituate to their tinnitus. So you can definitely do that if it helps you. That is why I recommend trying both methods and comparing the results. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. So here's what to do next. Go to tinnitusreliefacademy.com, try the tinnitus pitch finder first, And then try the tinnitus matching tool method. Comment below with your pitch results and any questions you have. Also, if you have any suggestions to improve the tools, please comment them below as well. Your experience could help someone else too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tinnitus relief tools, and check out the free resources on my website. You're not alone and relief is possible. I will see you in the next video.